Guys, did you know this simple seed can transform your hair? Watch how I turn it into a powerful treatment. Flaxseed and fenugreek seed. Watch to the end. Guys, let me tell you something. Maybe some of you guys, you have or you know this thing already, but some people, maybe they don't have even any idea about the benefit of fenugreek and flaxseed. Today we are using fenugreek and flaxseed. Let me tell you the benefit of fenugreek. Fenugreek is boosting hair growth, reducing shedding, and also fenugreek is adding moisturizer to your hair. It's having vitamin B3 and potassium, iron, and also it have vitamin C inside. Fenugreek is very good for we those who are looking for a way to grow our natural hair. When we come back to flaxseed, flaxseed also is straightening hair, defending curls, reducing freezing, and adding shining. Flaxseed is having a lot of vitamins also. It's having omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E, vitamin B, especially vitamin B1 and vitamin B6. Flaxseed is having all of these nutrients. So guys, after blend my things, make everything together, you can see my cream. So now it's time for me to add the necessary ingredients that I have to add it into this powerful thing to transform my hair. I wish I can show you guys, but let me know if you use flaxseed and fenugreek to your head before. This one, guys, maybe you guys can remember the first video I did while I was making my leave-in condition with the gel of fenugreek and flaxseed. So let me tell you guys for something small here. Here you can see that is my olive leaf, dry leaf, and that is neem and lavender. So here also I have 3 powerful natural ingredients. Maybe you may wonder, what am I going to do with this? While I'm doing the hair mask, this one also I'm going to put it on fire because I want it to boil it. I'm going to boil it so that I can use it to raise my hair. I'm going to use it for my hair cleanser, okay? I'm going to cleanse my hair. So now it's time for me to put it on fire and come back to the hair mask. So by the time we finish everything, that one also it will be ready. Don't mind me, you can boil it like the way I boil it, or if you want, you can infuse it for 12 hours, 24 hours, or 6 hours. It's all can work. But I love to boil it because I don't have that time, and also because I'm trying to show some things, I'm trying to cut the time and do my things fast. So now this is my cream, fenugreek and flaxseed cream that you guys have seen. Now I'm going to mix my ingredients. I'm already add oil inside. So the next ingredient also I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. These things I cannot do it without adding honey. Honey is having humongous. Oh, princess, leave there, guys. Sorry. So guys, sorry, my daughter. Yes, close it, daddy will talk. So sorry for that. And also after adding my honey, I'm adding glycerin, my vegetable glycerin. I have to check my daughter, guys. I'll be back. So guys, sorry, sometimes when I'm just doing things, my daughter also is busy doing things. So when I'm doing things, I'm always put my eyes on her again, because otherwise, let me see. Oh, she's telling me that she wants to go and pee-pee. Good girl. Princess says she wants to go and pee-pee. Good girl. So now, guys, you can see that I'm mixing it this way. It's going to take my time, and as I told you guys, I don't have enough time so I'm going to just put blender on it and blend everything. So and blend it. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, after use the blend hand mixture to mix everything, you can see how smooth it is. So now everything, all the ingredients, yes my love, all the ingredients has mixed together. So it's time for you to do what, to use it if you mix it this way. But always make sure you wash your hair. Make sure your hair, yes my love, Dulum. Yeah, you see my daughter is looking at you people. Yes my love. Dulum. Dulu. Ogmalaji onyala bina yina. Bina ko da banjira ko da no kai yina ka karate ya duluma. Because o kana jonga kan banjira nyumoni. Yeah, no issue. So guys, as you guys can see, I after boil my cleanser, that one also the beginning you can see when I was about to start my hair mask, I put it on fire. So now it's ready. I'm going to strain it. Yeah, I'm going to strain it. So after straining it, maybe I'll add a little bit water to get it warm small, because it depends whether now if I'm going to bath now, then it means I have to put a little bit water. But if it's going to take time, then I can leave the water to stand there to get cold before you can see how vapor is still hot. Yeah, I cannot use it in my hair like that. Go and give it to daddy. Go and give it to daddy to help you. Yes, good. So take this one, take, and tell daddy that I spoil everything. So now the next thing I'm going to add inside, I'm going to add apple cider vinegar inside, because this is the racing tea, as I told you people. So I'm adding apple cider vinegar inside. You can add it, it's your choice. If you have it, you add. If you don't have it, don't worry yourself. Don't say because you don't have it you will not do. You just skip that part. And after that, I'm adding my rosemary essential oils on drop inside. After the rosemary also, you know, that one also, let me tell you, if you have, this is peppermint, any essential oil that you have, you can add that one inside. It's not sounding must for you to use the same one. The ones that you have, you can add inside. So after add those 2 essential oils inside, have to do what you have to just use your spoon or whatever that you are using mixing to make sure you mix everything again very well, because this thing is just a racing tea. How are you going to apply this thing? You can only apply it after you finish washing your hair, you deep conditioner your hair. So now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. You know, these things I cannot do and skipping the honey. So how to use it? After washing your hair and do your hair moisturizing everything, or deep treatment or deep condition, you put your deep conditioner or deep cleanser inside. After finish everything, this one you will use it to rinse your hair for the last part. After rinsing it, you are not putting water inside your hair again. You just rinse it and come out. Just use towel to damp it small like that. If it is too much watering, you know, use towel to damp it small and leave it inside. After you add your leave-in conditioner inside, add your butters or your liquid, and that is all. You are good to go. This thing I'm going to divide it into 2. I will use some for like racing tea, and also our leave-in spray. Also I'm going to take some for the leave-in spray. So the one that remaining, now I remove the leave-in spray first, and now I'm adding this oil, because this oil is my own hair type and this racing tea is my own hair that I'm going to do. That's why I'm adding the oil inside, because that oil is heavy. My daughter cannot use it, so I always divide it before add the oil inside. So the remaining I put inside the water bottle, as you guys can see. So I will take this one inside the bathroom. After bathing, I will use and rinse my hair, and the one with the red cover, that one I'll put it inside the fridge for us to be using it. At least if you put it inside the fridge, you can use it like 5 to 6 days, okay? But don't use it more than 1 week. If it is past like 5-6 days, then you have to throw it away and make a new batch again, okay? And make a new batch. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.